Chef Buck here with a fantastic chocolate chip cookie recipe. Super simple. This is how I make them all the time now. Combine your sugar with some butter that you've softened, let it get to room temperature. The same with an egg, let that sit out and warm up. Throw that in a bowl with 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. I love the vanilla extract. Then whip it up. Put some elbow grease in there. I never use a mixer. Just twirl it around. Doesn't have to be super smooth. If it looks like that, you're going to be fine. Add your dry ingredients together, your flour, your baking soda, and your salt. I put in a half a cup of chocolate chips and a half a cup of nuts, but just use chocolate chips if you want. Mix those ingredients together. Stir in your sugar and your butter mixture. Get it so that it's not completely dry anymore. Get all your flour mixed in there. Stir it up. It might take a few minutes, and then you can just spoon it out on a cookie sheet if you like. But I like to form it into a tube. It reminds me of being a kid. When your mother used to bring that tube home of cookie dough. And plus it makes it easier for me to slice them and get the right sizes. And I like big cookies, so I usually get about 17 or 18 cookies out of here. But you can get more than that if you want to make them smaller. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Slide your cookies in there for, 10 to 12 minutes. As soon as they get nice and golden on top, brown around the edges there, the way you like them. But there you have it, easy peasy lemon squeeze. I guess, I've had to battle my waistline a little bit over the years because of this quick recipe. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. And I'm sorry that you're going to have to battle this cookie recipe. But that's your problem now.